Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'll be showing you how to bake a simple tray bake. You start off by preheating your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Add some sugar into a bowl of butter and cream this mixture together. Then start to add in your eggs one at a time and mix well between each egg added. You can then add your vanilla extract or any other flavoring at this point and add in your flour and then mix until it's nice and smooth. Put the mixture in a prepared baking tray and then smooth the top and then bake in the oven for about an hour and then remove from the oven and leave it in the baking tray for about 10 minutes and then remove the cake from the cake tray and peel off the paper and leave to cool completely. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. As you can see, it's nice and baked through and it's fluffy and it tastes great. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.